Okay, so for Saturday, ito yung tinatawag nating banana day or actually egg day. So, ito lang naman before is yung video clip ng, ayan, basically a short video clip of your members being interviewed. Questions can vary from brief questions about your fitness goals, routine, or it could also be just for fun. It doesn't even have to be a Q&A type. You can incorporate other creative ideas like doing a light and simple challenge, sharing jokes, pick up lines, etc. and make it interactive, educational, and or entertaining. So yun, hindi siya necessarily nga na video, hindi siya necessarily interview type, but any video content na alam niyo naman sa TikTok, maraming kung ano-anong pakulo, so pwede nating gawin yun dito. And then if mag-participate si member, pwede natin silang bigyan ng banana or ng itlog. So for example, what is your fitness goal this month? What is your favorite exercise? Ito yung mga pwede nating itanong. Ba't nasa dulo ang taba sa barbecue? Gym pick-up line. So yan, ito yung mga example. So yan, the bananas or egg are just a token for their participation plus protein intake. So yan again, ask natin yung permission ng mga members, and then though not required, using a lapel mic is ideal to get better audio quality, and video should be more or less 1 minute. Pwedeng shorter, pwedeng longer than 1 minute, pero yun nga, pag mas mahaba kasi minsan di na rin naman napapanood masyado. So, yung short and concise but entertaining.
Hello everyone, this is Kalina of Anytime Fitness Batangas. Kasama si Coach Ses para mamigay ng ating mga banana at aalamin natin kung ano ang mga favorite workout ng ating mga ka-purple. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Hi Sir Jed, kamusta ka today?
Okay naman.
Okay naman po. Ngayon, kami ay may challenge sa iyo. Makakatanggap ka ng banana, pero dapat gumawa ka ng 10 reps sa iyong favorite workout. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will receive our banana. Thank you, sir!
Tapos yun, same process lamang din ng post ng video. So yan. Lastly, yung Sunday natin is yung ating pang-hiring and yung merchant highlight. So sa hiring naman, halos ako din nagpo-post nito, and minsan depende siya sa urgency ng hiring. So hindi naman necessarily na Sunday pa ito i-post. Minsan kapag urgent, so ayun, nagpo-post din tayo ASAP. Pero if meron tayong ongoing hiring palagi, yun, pwede nating i-schedule lagi for posting on Sunday. Tapos yun nga, yung merchant highlight, ito yung pinakita ko kanina na worksheet. Yan, attach natin yung parang picture ng ating merchant and then their logo. So yan. Tapos purple perks and then yung magiging discount. So same lang din naman, same procedure lang din naman ng pagpo-post natin with a caption, tapos yung ating contact information and hashtag na. So yan yung ating contents for the week. And aside dun sa ating in-club contents, meron din tayong contents na galing sa dashboard. So, yan, dashboard ng Anytime Fitness. So, ito yung parang uniform na in-implement ni AF na pinapost sa mga clubs. So, ito yung example nun. Ayan, this one is nung January pa. Ito, ako na naman nang nagpo-post nito. So, just so you are aware, meron din tayong ibang contents. So, ayan. Pero, much better if magagawa natin ng contents or if mai-implement natin tong in-club contents kasi compared dito sa mga contents from the dashboard, mas madaming engagement yung contents ng yung in-club contents kasi mainly yung mga members nakikita nila yung sarili nila sa page. So, yun, mas nag-interact sila, mas I guess they feel valued and yun na bibigyan sila ng spotlight. Kaya ayun.